Good morning everyone, myself Surendra Kumar. Today we will discuss the schedule for the class 9, 10, 11, 12. Schedule means mathematics schedule. How I am going to teach you for the class 9, 10, 11, 12 in YouTube channels. Today will be introduction class. Today will be introduction lecture for class 9, 10, 11 and 12. So before starting um, before starting the introduction lecture for class 9 and 2, I will tell you about myself. Myself Surendra Kumar. I have given I have given 12th board exam this year. Result has not come. So through this channel I will teach you mathematics for the class 9, 10, 11, 12. If he, those who are in Hindi medium and those who are English medium, I will give you lecture those who are in Hindi medium as well as who are in English medium. There is in Hindi medium, language is Hindi, but everything is similar as English medium. In English mediums, words are written in English, but in Hindi mediums, words are written in Hindi. So everything is same, but difference is words, language. They are those who are in Hindi medium, they follow NCERT. Those who are English medium, they also follow NCERT. So there is difference only language. So I told you I am also a motivational speaker. So I told you I will make new channel for mathematics. So but I will not make one more channel. I will upload the mathematics lecture in same channel. You will get the content of motivational as well as I will teach you mathematics in the same channel for the class 9, 10, 11, 12. So be ready. Those who want to study in YouTube, they are those who want to study online for the class 9, 10, 11, 12. So I am going to teach you. Today will be introduction class. From tomorrow I will start my schedule. So without wasting time, let us discuss how I am going to teach you. So we know in a week there are 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So let us discuss. Sunday will be holiday. On Sunday, holiday. On Sunday there will be no class. And day class Monday, Wednesday and Friday. On Monday, Wednesday and Friday, there will be upload of mathematics for the class 9, 10. In Monday, Wednesday and Friday, there will be upload of mathematics content for the class 9 and 10. I will teach you mathematics for the class 9, 10 on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Means alternate day. We have to leave one day and again after the day after tomorrow. Means alternate day. We have to leave one day. Monday, Tuesday is left, and Thursday is left. So on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I will teach you for the class 9 and 10. Got it? I think you are getting my point. On Monday, Wednesday, Friday, there will be upload of for the class 9 and 10. Which content? Mathematic contents. I will start from the basic. Those who are weak, I give you guarantee. If you will study with me, I will try to make you perfect in maths. 9 and 10. Got it? Time will be those who are in 9. Their class will be on in the time at the time 2-3 p.m. Those who are in class 9, there will be class on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. When? I am asking you time at 2 to 3 p.m. Similarly, for the class 10, 3 to 5, 3 to 4 p.m. There will be class for class 10 on Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 3 to 4 p.m. Got it? So from tomorrow I will start the chapter. Don't worry, I give you guarantee. Follow me. I will complete your syllabus within 3 months. Those who are in class 9, those who are in class 10, within 3 months I will complete your whole syllabus. Those who are in 9 and 10. Okay. So now for the class 11 and 12, those who are in 11 and 12, see the schedule how I am going to teach you for the class 11, 12. Which content? Mathematic contents. So wait. You can take a screenshot. I will be side. Take a screenshot. Pause the video and take a screenshot. Okay. So now let us move for the class 11th and 12th. Day. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. There will be class 4, there will be lecture, there will be uploaded, there will be upload for the class 11th and 12th on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. There will be uploaded content of for the class 11th and 12th on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Class 11th and 12th. Those who are in class 11 and those who are in class 12, they will uh, I will teach you them on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, alternate day. Those who are in class 11th and 12, I will teach you on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. In which channel? Same channel, Surendra Motivational Speaker. With a study, you will get motivational quote daily. Okay, so don't worry. I am with you. I will help you. If you are getting problem, you can comment. I will give you reply. Okay, so don't worry. Uh, Timing. Let us discuss time. When I will teach you, I am asking time. I am asking you time. Now it is summer. So we know that in summer uh, a school is being run morning. So time will be those who are in class 11, their class will be on 2 to 3 p.m. Similarly, those who are in class 12, their class will be 3 to 4 p.m. What it? I think you are good. You are getting my point. So take a screenshot. Set the schedule of. Take a screenshot. I will be sent. Pause your video and take a screenshot. Okay. So now I will discuss what I am going to teach you tomorrow. So be ready, those who are in class. Tomorrow is what? Monday. So on Monday I told you, those who are in class 9 and 10, they will get content of mathematics on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Tomorrow is Monday. So what I am going to teach you tomorrow? No. Today is Monday, na? Today is Monday. Sorry. Today is Monday, so there will be no content. Today is only introduction class. How I can teach you, what is my schedule. So uh, tomorrow is Tuesday. So there will be class for 11th and 12th. Those who are in class 11th and 12th, be ready in YouTube channel. When those who are in 11th, their class will be held 2 to 3 p.m. Similarly, those who are in class 12, there will be class held 3 to 4 p.m. So be ready. So I will tell you which chapter first I am going to start. What will be the first chapter for me to teach you? So wait 1 minute. I am coming from somewhere. So let's discuss what I am going to teach you tomorrow for the class 11th. Sets. Wait. Those who are in class 11th, they will get content of sets. Class second decimal. Tomorrow is 13. Class 11. Chapter name sets. So be ready. Tomorrow will be class held for the class 11th. Which chapter sets? Those who are in class 12, they will get content for mathematics. Which chapter? Determinants. No, matrices. So, thank you everyone for today. I told you today is only introduction class. I will not teach you anything. I think you got it my point. You write down schedule how I am going to teach you. So it's okay. So thank you very much. If you are happy with me, if you are getting some motivate, if you are getting some solution from my words, then please subscribe my channel. I will daily upload for you. If you will give me reply, if you will give me rewards, then I will try more to content for you. I will try to upload more content for you. Those through which you can success. Please subscribe my channel. Please share the content your friends. Please like the videos through which I will get motivated. I will make myself more better. So thank you very much. Keep it up. So never give up. Never give up. You will get success. Follow me. I guarantee you. If you will follow me, definitely those who are weak, those who are intelligent, those who are average, I will give content. Those who are weak also, those who are average also, those who are intelligent. Follow me. Don't try to overestimate. Okay. Thank you very much.